Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while. I have updated what I'm up to right now. So I will just show you what I am up to. Like I am actually building a drone which will actually track your face and move accordingly. So we will be working on the role here. So that's the role here. So it's basically if it's this is the drone, it will go like this and this according to your face. Okay, so suppose your face is moving to the right, the drone will move right. Okay, it will roll to the right. Okay, that's the idea. Let's just go through the basic setup here. And we have the Raspberry Pi 4 here, and I have it connected to the pixhawk 2.4.8. so it's a basic pixhawk. And let's just switch on our transmitter. Yeah, and you can see it's actually connected. Yeah, and okay, that's let's we'll not be using that. And to make sure that it's connected with the same thing, I'll just move the sticks around. Yeah, wait a sec. I'll just get that up, and let's get it here. Actually, it's better. Yeah, so you could actually see that when I move the roll here, it's working. Okay, and let's just keep it aside. And let's not switch it off. Like we need the uh, minimum of all our pitch roll value, so we will keep it there. And we'll just go through the frame here. So I have actually like I've actually run the I executed the code. Yeah, okay, so let's just see. Like okay, so right now you could see that it's actually tracking my face. And if I move to the right, you could actually change the uh, you can actually see the change here. So when I'm moving to the left, my left here, so it's right, so it's moving to the it's 1600. And when I'm in the middle, it will go back to the initial position, or the position at which my gimbal is at. So yeah, and when I go right again, you could see that it changes. And if I go to come in middle, it will go to its initial position. And if I go to the left again, it will change. So you could actually see that it's perfectly working. But yeah, I didn't have time. Actually, it's raining here, and I didn't have time to test it out. But yeah, a video will be coming soon. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited about it. And we'll be going through the code as well, right? So I will be making it an open source code, so that you guys can also learn and work on it accordingly. Okay, great. Have a good day.